Welcome to the new episode of our TikTok Academy. I'm Tamara, and as a senior PPC specialist at Seller Zelly, I will talk today about automated creative optimization. Before we start, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to leave your comments and questions below after watching this video. With automated creative optimization, you can upload images or videos, write ad text, and select your call to action buttons. The system will then automatically combine your creative assets into multiple ads for your campaign. These ads get continuously explored, evaluated, and optimized to find the optimal combination. The system will then present the best creative to your target audience based on the tested combinations. This all happens without you having to do any automation at its best. So maybe running ads doesn't have to give you a headache after all. We have a few advantages of using automated creative optimization. So let me jump to the first one. First, forget about A/B testing. You don't have to be a marketing guru or a data scientist. The system automatically creates combinations of ads based on the pictures, videos, text, and call to action buttons you provide, and then does all the testing. Second, save time and effort. Once the automated creative optimization is working, you don't need to spend hours and hours trying to optimize manually and monitor your ads' performance in real time. The system will automatically optimize them based on their performance, and then well-performing ads will receive, of course, more impressions, and poorly performing ads will stop running after some time. You can update your ads by managing your uploaded creative in the automated creative package. Then you have third one, extend your ads life. With automated creative optimization, you will have multiple ads combination within one ad group. The system will constantly evaluate the effectiveness of your ads to find out the best variety. In the process of machine learning and exploring, it will ensure users see new combinations, extend your ads live with fresh ads, and last but not least, get more quality ad traffic. The system will automatically help you match the target audience and your creatives, thus improving traffic quality. If you have any doubts about how to do this, don't hesitate to contact us and we'll gladly help you manage your ad account and scale sales to the next level. For more exciting news and PPC advice, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all social media channels. See you guys next time.